In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Smartsheet sheet. Whether you want to back up your data, create a template for future use, or simply make a copy for experimentation, knowing how to duplicate a sheet in Smartsheet is a handy skill. So, let's dive right in. The first step, unsurprisingly, is to open the sheet you wish to duplicate. Once you've navigated to the correct sheet, it's time to access the File menu. Now, this menu can be found in the top left corner of your screen. Just click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides various options for managing your sheet, but today we're going to focus specifically on the option to save it as a new copy. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Save as New. This option allows you to create a fresh copy of your current sheet, maintaining all its content and formatting. It's especially useful if you frequently use certain layouts or data structures and want to replicate them effortlessly. Next, you'll come to an important step: naming your new sheet. You'll see a field labeled Name Your Sheet. Here, you should enter a name for your copied sheet that will help you easily identify it later. The new name is critical as it distinguishes your duplicate from the original, preventing any possible confusion as you work within Smartsheet. Once you've given your new sheet a suitable name, it's time to choose the destination. To do this, you'll use the Save In drop-down menu. This allows you to select the location where you want the new sheet to reside. Maybe you want to keep it in the same workspace as your original, or perhaps it makes more sense to store it in a different folder or workspace altogether. Choose what's best for your organizational needs. Now, there is a step here that's optional, but worth mentioning. If you wish, you can adjust a few additional settings. These might include changing sharing permissions or altering the specific folder location for your new sheet. Adjusting these settings can ensure that the new sheet is accessible to the right people or stored in the most appropriate place straight from the outset. Finally, once you've set everything to your satisfaction, you're ready to create your duplicate sheet. Simply click OK to finalize the creation of the copy. And there you have it, a brand new identical Smartsheet sheet ready for whatever purpose you need. Duplicating sheets in Smartsheet is a straightforward yet powerful feature that can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency. By following these steps, you can quickly make copies of your sheets whenever you need, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy Smartsheet duplicating.